How to protect our planet. Our planet is the only home we have, and it gives us everything we need to live. We get clean air, fresh water, food, and natural resources from the earth every day. But human activity is causing pollution, deforestation, and climate change that hurt our planet. Factories and cars produce gases that make the air dirty and warm the atmosphere. Cutting down too many trees destroys forests that are important for animals and oxygen. If we do not act now, our planet will face serious problems in the future. Protecting the Earth is our responsibility. One important way to protect our planet is by reducing pollution in our daily lives. People can use less plastic, recycle bottles and cans, and avoid throwing trash in nature. Using buses, trains, or bicycles instead of cars helps reduce harmful gases in the air. Saving water is also very important, so we should turn off taps when not in use. At home, we can use energy-saving lights and turn off electronics when not needed. Every small action helps the planet stay clean and healthy. If everyone does their part, the impact will be very big. Another way to protect the planet is by taking care of animals, forests, and oceans. Forests produce oxygen, clean the air, and give homes to many animals. Oceans cover most of the earth, and they are full of life that people depend on for food. We must stop cutting down trees too fast and avoid throwing waste into rivers and seas. Protecting endangered animals is also very important because they are part of nature's balance. Planting new trees is a simple way to give back to the environment. Nature is strong, but it needs our help to survive. Finally, education and teamwork are important for protecting our planet. Schools can teach children how to recycle, save energy, and respect nature. Governments can make laws to reduce pollution and support clean energy like wind and solar power. Communities can organize cleanup days in parks, beaches, and neighborhoods. People around the world must work together to protect the earth for future generations. Our actions today will decide the health of the planet tomorrow. Protecting the planet is not only a choice, but also a duty. Together, we can make the world a better and safer place. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.